We are going shopping.
Mommy, how we say campo in English?
Campo is field.
We're going to the field.
Yeah.
Campo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's one of the biggest supermarkets where we live.
No, it's Carrefour.
Is it?
Yes.
You think Carrefour is bigger?
It's bigger.
Okay, let me say this is our favorite shop. The jury is out there on which one is bigger, Carrefour or Alcampo. It depends on who you talk to. But for me, I prefer Alcampo. The items we can buy from Alcampo.
No, Mommy, the biggest one is Hipaco.
Is it?
Yes.
You see? They know better. The biggest one is...
Yes, I've got Burger King and McDonald's.
That's why you say that Hipaco is bigger.
The biggest one that we are going.
All right. Anyway, you heard it. So let's go. We don't have much to buy. The main reason we came here is to pick up our children's books. It's almost school time. It's almost school time. It's the start of the school year, so everywhere is school bags, books,
clothes. I don't know.
Clothes.
Next week we're going to buy.
Yeah, clothes for school.
What are you doing? What are you doing, Mommy? I'm sorry.
Hola, es para recoger libros. Sí, estamos en la mesa. Vale, vale. So this is their desk. There's no one here now. So you
Mommy, see, I need to go to this club.
have to dial any of these numbers to
I need to
call
go to
them.
this
So I
club.
call the papeleria. Press M9. So that's what I call when they're coming.
This one I need to go when I have like 11 years.
Okay.
Tenemos esta que es la de quinto. A ver, que tenéis los cuadernos de lengua. Mira, por mirar cómo acaban los códigos ya vale. 896, que es este.
Sí.
889, que sería este.
Sí.
Y 872 es este. Luego los cuadernos de matemáticas. Luego falta música. Lo tenemos aquí, que acaba en 1906, que es este, ¿vale?
Sí.
Con lo cual esta está completa.
Pero el de quinto.
Sí, este es de quinto.
No, ese es tercero.
Tercero de primaria,
Sí,
sí.
pero quinto.
Ahora te digo, es que te falta alguno, ¿eh? Este me le quedo yo.
Es que el año pasado estábamos esperando hasta el último. Tenemos que forrar y hacer muchas cosas.
No
Entonces,
sé, es que nos tienen que llegar, o nos llegan hoy o ya para el lunes. Yo si queréis, a ver, yo os comento, por ejemplo, este de alemán siempre tarda un montón.
un montón.
Sí, los de idiomas de esta editorial no os puedo asegurar nada, no nos han dicho nada de que no nos lo vayan a mandar.
Ese es el problema,
de
sí.
otros años.
No entiendo este, ¿eh?
Ya.
Estos son libros que utilizan
Ya.
cada año, pero
Ya,
no lo sé, es un rollo.
no sé.
Vale,
Las
muchas
peores.
gracias.
Entonces, bueno, pues lo mismo.
Vale.
Mommy, which one? Why we
Está bien.
don't
Esta es la que se queda pendiente, que os faltan
We will
esos.
take this one because Tamsi's one is not complete.
A ver si hay suerte y jolín, llega.
Vale.
Si no, pues
Lunes
no sé,
entonces.
Venga, pues nada.
Vale. Gracias.
Venga, gracias, hasta luego.
Hasta luego.
Now we're going to buy our school tea.
Not today.
Yes, there.
Oh yeah, we're going. Not today. We will come on the list.
For that one, we need to come separately for that because
No,
because it's stressful
Okay,
to select all those things. We need to come on a special day.
Okay.
Mirror selfie, mirror selfie. So you have to order the books once schools close. For instance, we placed the order for these ones in July. So in June, end of June, July. That's when we place the orders for this one. And as you can hear the woman saying, all of them are not ready. Like Neddy's own is ready, but for Kamsi's own, some of the books are not ready. So we went back on the day we agreed, but the books were still not complete. We took the ones that were there already. We'll find the remaining book, which is German language book. But at the end of the day, Kamsi is now doing French, not German. So we did not have to buy the German book after all. These are the English language books. They do English language as a subject 3 times a week. That's 3 hours a week. All other subjects are in Spanish. These are the 3 textbooks for maths for the 3 terms. And these are the 3 textbooks for Spanish language and literature. Natural sciences. Social sciences. Music. Christian religious knowledge. They included this book in error, so we'll return it. Kamsi and Nede have been doing social values and civics since their primary 1, and once you choose one, you must continue with that till primary 6. These are Nede's books. This year, we bought only the workbooks for her because she will use Kamsi's primary 3 textbooks. In primary 1 and 2, they write inside their textbooks, but from primary 3, they write in exercise books, making it possible for younger siblings to use their older siblings' books from primary 3. These are Kamsi's primary 3 textbooks that Nede will reuse. I just need to remove the old wrapping and rewrap them. We wrap them with these transparent plastic films. I need to rewrap them because of these stains. I also need a brown sellotape for writing their names, a transparent one for wrapping the books, a scissors, and a marker. I start by removing the old wrapping. Here, wrapping the books is compulsory. If you miss even one book, the teacher will return it to you to wrap. I like the idea because it keeps the books in great condition all through the school year. And I love the idea of using transparent plastic film so much because you can still see the cover of the book. In Nigeria, we used brown paper to wrap our books. And after wrapping, you would use a pen to write the title of the book again. All the books would look the same when you look into your school bag. And each time you need a book, you had to go through the books one by one till you get to the one you want. Here, some PTAs in some schools have an agreement with some bookshops to do the wrapping for them. That means that when you pick up the books like we did, they're already wrapped for you. That's a great idea as well because wrapping these books is not an easy job at all. We don't have such an arrangement in my kids' school. After that, I put the brown sellotape write the names. Cut the plastic film according to the size of the book. and finally wrap them up. This is how I wrap books with a thick spine. The stapled books are much easier to wrap. All done now. These are all their books for the whole year. They will be asked to buy 1 or 2 novels for literature. The weekend before school starts, we need to make Neddy's hair. Our braiding routine is I wash her hair and make it while it is still damp. I only add extra virgin olive oil. It moisturizes her hair so well. I usually make easy hairstyles that can last for 1 week, at most 2 weeks. In as much as I want her to have fresh hair, freshly braided hair all the time, I still don't like manipulating her hair all the time. And I make easy styles so that she doesn't sit there for too long. I also don't like sitting down for a long time to make my hair, so yeah, do unto others how you would like them to do to you. This is where I wanna be. Ooh, 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 ooh. This is where I wanna be. I'm hearing from you. This is where you wanna be. Yay! All done now. All done now. Turn around. Turn around. So the turn around like this. See. Well. So you're ready for school now, no? You want to start school?
No.
Then I barb Kamsi's hair. Yes, I'm a barber too. All my skills come out to play during the back to school season. Turn around. Da, 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 da. Flo's barber shop. Who wants to barb his hair or her hair? Because yeah, women can cut this one as well. Yeah. The same final weekend before school starts, I just found out that Kamsi's school supplies box is old. So I need to rewrap it with new paper. All you need is a shoebox, wrapping paper of your choice, and a gum. We also bought the school supplies. You remember in the last time we went to the supermarket, we were telling the kids that we wouldn't buy the school supplies on that day because yeah, picking all those tiny pencils, this and that takes a while and we didn't have time to do that on that day. So yeah, we've gone back to buy those. In this pencil case, we have pencils, markers, crayons, scissors for their crafts, sharpeners, erasers. They also need rulers, protractors, compasses, lots of things, yeah. These are their notebooks, A4 notebooks. Then extra pencils and erasers that I'll keep at home for when they need more. Who remembers this 4-in-1 pen with 4 colors? And that's it. till next academic year. From now on, it's all about taking them to school, bringing them back, doing assignments, basketball, swimming, rinse and repeat till whenever. I hope you enjoyed the video of our life in Spain. Bye bye. See you soon.